stayed here at our friend's house last night instead of staying at a Walmart. We had a wonderful time. Thank you so much. We're on our way to Homer today. Of course, we're not gonna make it because we got a few stops to make, but we'll see you down the road. Good afternoon. We got us a nice little spot here. You can see the mountain in the background. There's a glacier here somewhere we're gonna go look and see if we can find. But this is just a pull-off on the side of the road going towards Homer. Got mountains over there. I mean, we're sitting here in a bowl, y'all. In a bowl. In the forest. You can hear the road. Yep, just a little bit. Look at that mountain back there. Woo! And they say there's bears. There's bears here. I'm not going down to the water by myself. I'm getting Mr. Childers to go with me. It's funny how a lot of these mountains you cannot see the top of them because usually they are in the clouds. Look at there, there he is. Yeah, it's cold here. Look, we even have a fire ring. Yeah, there's a few spots out here. There's like 4 or 5 maybe. right there, y'all. That's pretty sweet. Let's see if I can zoom in some more. There you go. That's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome.
It's back in them big mountains there. I don't think that would be one there. It's pretty small, but I think that's a small glacier. There's thousands of them probably not even named.
What a nice little trail. Oh my gosh. Nice and green, snow-covered mountains.
Lake to our right as well. There's a couple lakes in here.
Uh-huh. And it's cold. It's
Yeah,
cold. It's like 46.
46 now?
46.
52.
It's cold.
This is moose and grizzly country.
Yep.
No deer, no elk.
In Alaska at all, right?
Not at all.
Isn't that crazy, y'all? No deer and no elk in Alaska. We seen lots of elk when we were in Wyoming.
Montana as well.
Yeah, Montana, yeah.
Lots of them in Yellowstone.
Yeah. Y'all, the mosquitoes are bad. Really, really bad. Like they want to eat your face off. Right?
Down underneath.